Understanding killing time. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, killing time. Ever wondered what it means and how to use it? Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind this common expression. Killing time refers to engaging in an activity, often something casual or easy, to pass the time when one has nothing better to do. It's about making idle moments fly by, often while waiting for something else to happen. The phrase, killing time, has been around for centuries, and it's believed to originate from the days when people had to wait for long periods without the distractions we have today. It paints time as something that can be killed or made to pass more quickly. You can say you're killing time by reading a book, scrolling through social media, or just daydreaming. It's commonly used to describe an activity that's not particularly important or urgent. Let's see killing time in action. I had an hour before my appointment, so I was just killing time at the cafe. Are you busy, or are you just killing time until your next class? Understanding the cultural context is important. In some cultures, killing time may seem negative, as time is a valuable commodity. In others, it's a normal part of life, especially in relaxed or leisurely scenarios. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of killing time. It's a handy phrase to describe those moments we all have, waiting for the next big thing. Until our next video, keep learning and never stop exploring the richness of the English language.